you know what is the fastest way to get traffic to your website? Videos. Yes, ranking videos on Google and YouTube can get you 100% free traffic fast. I'm talking about hundreds and thousands of laser-focused buyer traffic 100% free. Most newbie marketers would love to rank their videos on YouTube and Google to get massive traffic and profits. But after a few trials, they find it extremely difficult and super complicated and throw in the towel. Does this sound similar? You see, these days, ranking isn't easy, especially if you don't have the right tools. But what if I told you that today you can easily rank on Google and on YouTube, drive massive traffic, and finally generate tons of leads and sales without any manual work? Yes, you don't need any experience, you don't need your own website, you don't need a domain, you don't need a hosting server, you don't need your autoresponder, you don't need a lot of investment. You can effortlessly dominate sweet rankings both on YouTube and Google with just a few clicks of your mouse. Introducing RankZPresso. This is the future of free, push-button, unlimited traffic at your fingertips. No matter what niche you are in, you can get more traffic and more sales starting today. RankZPresso is a suite of tools and apps, totally off the grid, extremely powerful software allows you to rank your videos effortlessly in Google and YouTube and extract traffic at will. You will be able to pocket sales and commissions and generate heart-stopping amount of leads for your online business starting today. It's perfect for newbie and intermediate marketers. Here is how it works. Simply enter your YouTube video URL and add your website link or your affiliate link in the description, and then just one push of a button. Then just one push of a button and the software starts building backlinks to rank your videos on top of Google and YouTube. You just sit back and relax and watch the traffic flow in. As simple as that. There is literally unlimited traffic that you can have. But don't be fooled. RankZPresso is not a simple software, but a ranking powerhouse that is super simple and easy to use. This killer software is a suite of apps that consists of 7 different powerful modules. The title generator helps you generate the best and the most catchy title for your videos. The description generator makes sure you have the best description for your videos. Copy from the top videos in your niche and make your own instantly. The tags generator gives you the perfect tags to rank your videos on top of Google and YouTube. The keyword generator gives you the exact keywords you need to get hot converting traffic. Trending Videos Finder helps you find the top trending videos in your niche to get video ideas. Video Rank Checker helps you track your video rankings and optimize them accordingly. Now the most powerful and most innovative module, the Automatic Backlink Builder. It generates hundreds and thousands of backlinks at the push of a button, so your videos can get ranked on Google and on YouTube at the same time. This is very, very powerful. Look at all this traffic we are getting from ranking our videos using nothing but RankZPresso software. Imagine getting all this traffic to your quiz pages, to your landing pages, to your sales pages, to your affiliate offers. Look at the potential of money-making opportunity using nothing but RankZPresso software. Imagine all the commissions, they could be yours. If you have been banging your head against the wall lately just because you can't generate free and laser-focused traffic consistently, then RankZPresso is exactly what you need. It's the easiest and the laziest way to turn Google and YouTube your very own personal traffic machines that generate traffic for you 24/7. The bottom line is simple. Do you need more traffic and sales? If the answer is yes, then don't wait. Go ahead, click the buy button below this video and get RankZPresso software for you right now. This 7-in-1 automatic cloud-based software will help you get all the traffic and sales you need. Once you log into the RankZPresso software, you'll see all 7 different tools right here on the sidebar. Clicking any one of them will open the software for you. Now, the thing about YouTube is you basically need 4 things to rank a video and get free traffic. You need the right title for your video, rich with keywords. For that, we have the title generator software where you just enter the main keyword and the software brings you 20 of the hottest titles there on YouTube. Now you can download them all in just one click and then easily mix and match the words to make them your own. Next, you need the perfect description to rank your videos on top of YouTube and Google for free traffic. Again, one click and the software brings you 20 best descriptions that you can find for that keyword. Download them all in one click and you can create your own in just seconds. The next ranking factor for videos is having a relevant tag. The tags are a huge thing for YouTube, and that's why having a lot of good tags is really important. So you go into the tag generator software here and you can easily generate hundreds of tags again with just one click. Now you could select the ones that you want, or you could select all and download them instantly to add into your video. And finally, the most important thing that ranks videos on top on Google and YouTube is backlinks. Just like websites, even videos need a little bit of extra push to rank higher than other videos, and that's where backlinks are very, very useful. Thanks to the link builder software, you can get hundreds and thousands of backlinks in just one click. You could put your video code here and select how many backlinks you want and the keywords that you want for these links and press one button. Our minions will get to work and build your links within 24 hours. That is all you need to quickly rank your videos on Google and YouTube and drive lots and lots of free traffic your way. But this bad boy does a lot more for you. Riding on hot new trends can be your ticket to thousands of free visitors and take your site viral. The Trend Finder tool does exactly that. It finds you hot new trending topics from different countries instantly. Want to find hot new niches and keywords for your videos? Well, the Keyword Finder does exactly that for you, and in just one click uncovers amazing new keywords for you to help get more traffic. And the Video Rank Checker instantly shows you where your videos are ranked and what does your competition look like. Tracking your videos is so important, and this tool is just what you need to do that. We have put together all these amazing tools into one software to create a massive explosion of traffic and rankings for you and your business. And the best part is you don't need to download or install anything. No setup needed. This is fully web-based. Just log in online and start getting free traffic and rankings immediately.